Hey, this is Ms. Martinez, and we're going to go over getting started with doing some drapery. For this, we're going to need a charcoal pencil. I like to use the extra soft one. That I think is extra soft, right? That's easiest to blend with. I've got my blending stump. White pastel for adding some highlights. And this here is a kneaded eraser. And take a look, you can stretch this out and stick it back together. And what's really great is as we knead the eraser, you can see it cleans itself, right? And we can shape it nice and wide if we want to erase wide areas, or we can make little points so we can get like a nice thin erased line. There's a lot of things we can do with our kneaded eraser. We're going to be looking at our setup. I want you to focus in on one particular area. So for this purpose, I'm going to be focused in on this area of drapery. And important thing, what we want to do is to really think about, first of all, the contour or shape, the outer shape of this piece, right? So I want to be thinking about that. And then I want to be adding the shadows and highlights and to get my drapery, okay? So I'm just going to put my reference up there, and now I'm going to start. So thinking about, and I'm not putting much pressure, right? I'm going to think about my general shapes. I can always refine this later. All right, so there's my general shape that I'm using. And then I'm going to think about where are my folds, my wrinkles. So I got some stuff there. Okay, and there's really no way to mess this up. So people freak out about drapery, but it's nothing to freak out about. So as long as you're kind of being consistent with the directions, that's fine. Okay, so I've got my wrinkles in, and now I can start to add my shadows. So I'm going to start with the darkest part. And then here's where I bring in my smudge stick and start to blend that out. All right, I'm just going to go in, do a little bit of blending. Notice where the darkest areas are. Take my blending stick. All right, so now I'm getting my illusion of my drapery, and then I can come back in with my white chalk and I can add some highlights if I like. And that's all there is to it.